Well, g'day. Today is not Fun Day Friday. Today is Sensational Saturday. Where are we going today? Dubai. Wow. Aisha basically parks the furthest away from everything. Look at this. Look, there's like literally no one around us. But like, let me just check if you have enough room around you from all the other cars. I think you're a bit close to this car, maybe?
I'm feeling anxious being so close to other cars. Should I move?
Yeah.
Should I move the car?
We're visiting the ripe market. See how expensive it is to come here in comparison to hypermarkets and supermarkets. And Zach's mission today is to find peanut butter. Love bread. So literally, right next to the bread place is the honey place. This is delicious.
Have a burst of flavour in your mouth.
It's not spicy at all.
It's not spicy at all.
Yeah. Do you have a straw? I'll just start drinking it now. She was like, oh, I just want something light and healthy. And then we saw this.
Oh my god, really excited at that one. Oh yeah.
So marketing 101, just have burgers and you'll always get customers. Best burger ever. Come to Dubai, go to Mighty Quinn's. They know how to do burgers. Oh no, no, no. Come on.
We're moving closer to the
No, we're just going to look at the bunnies.
Are we?
Come on! We were totally going to get a snake on Aisha. Let's do it! Okay, so apparently we have to pay to put snakes on Aisha, and we can't afford that yet because we like to spend our money on burgers. We would much prefer to find a snake in the wild and then
hide and run.
hide and run. How many subscribers? 1,000? Let's do 1,000 subscribers and we come back and you get a snake on your nose. This is so much fun. 10,000 subscribers, you jump out of a plane.
I also thought you thought about that.
No, it's recorded.
We achieved the goal of peanut butter.
And we got peanut butter.
And we've got strawberry jam. And we've got a free jam as well.
And we got a free jam.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know where your car is, honey. Oh my god, somebody parked next to you. Oh my god, I don't know if that's enough space.